Yo, what's up mga boss? So ngayon ay alam naman natin mga boss no, kung gaano kasulit itong tandem o yung samahan ng mga Duterte at mga Marcos mga boss no. Ito ay nagsimula nga noong tumakbo bilang president si Pangulong PBBM ngayon mga boss no. At ito nga ay sa tulong na rin. Alam naman natin lahat mga boss no na ginawa ang lahat ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte para maiupo itong mga Marcos mga boss no, dahil nga sa samahang matagal ng samahan na namamagitan ng pamilyang Marcos at Duterte mga boss. So ito ay isa sa mga itong kapatid ni PBBM na si Senador Jaime Marcos at itong si VP Inday Sara, isang napakasulit na magkaibigan mga boss no. At ito nga ay nang dalhin ni VP Inday Sara Duterte itong si Senador Jaime Marcos sa Tagbilaran, Bohol mga boss no, dahil nga ito ay pangipagdiwang itong National Teachers Month mga boss no, at super proud ay pinikilala ni Senador Jaime Marcos mga boss itong si VP Inday Sara Duterte. Ganito kagaling. So dito pa lang mga boss ay makikita natin kung gaano kasulid ang samahan at pagkakaibigan ng pamilyang Marcos at Duterte mga boss. So siyempre dito ay nagbibiruan nga itong dalawa, si VP Inday Sara Duterte at itong si Senador Jaime Marcos. Para malaman nyo ang lahat mga boss kung gaano ka-proud itong si Senador Jaime Marcos, papakita ko na sa inyo ang video mga boss. Huwag natin patagalin. Let's go.
Many, therefore, have questioned the wisdom of choosing a non-teacher to head up the Department of Education. Someone who is not from academe to lead up what is the largest department in our government. Critics abound, and yet, let me say that in a period when no solutions seem to have taken hold, when change and transformation is the order of the day, it is time that we find a secretary who will lead change and innovation. Someone who has proven time and again that change can be brought about in our lifetimes, as she brought it about in the city of Davao. Many have said that there should be at the helm another teacher, and yet we know that there must be someone brave and stalwart who is ready to be unpopular and take the hard road, a true leader. Many have said that perhaps a teacher would have been better, and yet we know that even amongst teachers, we need to have the compassion of a mother. Indeed, there we say it, love for each other. I introduce, therefore, someone who needs no introduction, but in fact possesses in abundance innovation and change, leadership at its best, and most of all, the love of a mother. Our beloved Vice President, Her Excellency, the Secretary of Education, Sara Zimmerman Duterte.